Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or be discussing with you, how to cancel Airasia flight and get a refund. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you want to cancel your booking, or basically you want to get a refund here, well, this one is quite simple. But the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go to airasia.com and log in into your account. Now, usually inside the website, you should see the login or sign up button. So just make sure to access your account. Now, at the bottom right of your screen, you should see Bo. Now, if you're not aware yet, Bo here is the AI chat companion, or the AI assistant here that basically assists you with fulfilling or adding or even canceling your flights. So let's go open up the chat here. And the first thing that you may want to question here, or may want to ask first, is you want to type in the following. It's going to be cancel booking, and just press enter. Now, it might take a while for Bo here to load up an answer for us. So if that's the case, it's going to now ask you to provide the booking number, or PNR. Now, in this case, it's going to also mention, while most bookings are non-refundable and can't be canceled, there are exceptions if your flight was rescheduled or canceled by the airlines. Now, if the airlines canceled or rescheduled the flight themselves, well, you'll have the option to get a refund. Now, for in some cases, like for example, depending on what type of flight, like for example, if you got economy, usually they would not provide any form of refund, and it depends on what you actually booked before in here. Sometimes you only get like 15-25%, but that totally depends on your ticket. So that's why reviewing your tickets is something really important, or even upgrading your ticket to a higher class is something recommended. So just in case you want to cancel it later on. But in this case, you just need to provide your booking number here. And in this case, Bo here will be able to assist you with canceling, and even ask you if you really want to cancel it. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.